Hey, this is David Bradshaw, and it's unbelievable. We're coming up on our 10-year anniversary of the Fredericksburg Prayer Furnace, this little prayer room that's been going 6 hours a day, sometimes 24 hours for seasons a day here in Virginia for almost 10 years. On January 9th, we'll celebrate our 10-year anniversary. I remember the early days of birthing the Fredericksburg Prayer Furnace. Honestly, many times we were in a living room with guitars and pianos, just a dozen people at a time, 20 people at a time, various numbers, but we were so desperate for God. We discovered that God desires to dwell with us. Psalm 132 gripped us. I will give myself no rest until God has a dwelling place. And then God says, I have desired it. What God has done during these 10 years absolutely blows our mind. The faithfulness of God, the culture of God's kingdom where He responds to those who draw near to Him in worship and prayer, the centrality of worship, of prayer, of interaction and relationship with Him to His government and His plans on the earth has blown our minds over the 10 years. Over 33,000 hours in this room and another room across town of corporate gatherings of music, of singing, prayer, and intercession has taken place in the Fredericksburg Prayer Furnace in the past 10 years. We've seen God's faithfulness. Over 107,000 people have gathered in the events and gatherings and initiatives that have come out of this corporate prayer meeting that's taken place in Virginia. You know, the motivator behind pursuing this expression of day and night worship and prayer was really just desire for God. We wanted to know Him. We met Him. So we want to invite you to partner with us. If this has stirred you, if the prayer furnace has impacted you, we're asking you, help us go the next 10 years. We need a $5,000 increase, and we're just inviting you as family across America and across the region to partner with us now to see the next 10 years as we celebrate the past 10 years go forth fully funded, full of the grace of God, and who knows what God might produce in the next 10 years of the prayer furnace.